Hello and welcome back everyone, it is your girl Cassandra and I'm just coming back with the same unit that I installed a few days ago from Megalook hair. I will attach the information down below like always. So this is just going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you a different way to style the unit in case you do want to wear it down or get a little jazzy with it. So without further ado, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into this quick little mini tutorial. So the first thing I did was brush out the hair, just making sure that I got rid of any tangles or anything, just because typically when I take off my headband wigs, I like to just pop them off, and sometimes I don't wrap them or put them on a mannequin hand just because it's a headband wig, like, let's be honest. So all I did was go in, brush out the hair first, get everything nice and straight, and then I applied some of the fanola oil, and it's like a serum that goes on the hair that makes it shiny and also prevents it from getting any heat damage. And I'm just going in with my Babyliss curling iron. I believe this is the 1.5 inch curling iron, and I'm just going to curl my hair in big sections all over. I don't really have a pattern. I'm kind of starting at the bottom, working my way to the middle, going from left to right, and then just going in and hitting any pieces that I might have missed. I'm going to go ahead and just curl this all over. And then when I'm done, all I'm going to do is just zhuzh my hair just a tiny bit and just show you guys a couple of different ways you can wear this. You can wear it like all straight down to the left, to the right. I typically, if I would wear this curly, I would probably wear it just to one side just because I like that really messy, curly, full volume, like I just woke up like this hair look. So just watch how I style this, and I will tag all the information down below. Again, the company is Megalook hair, and I will also link down below the previous video that I have of me unboxing and showing all the details. So thanks Megalook for reaching out to me. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me through all these hair tutorials, and I'm just going to finish curling and styling this real quick, and I will catch you guys in the next video.